Today is the 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and 117th birth anniversary of late Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. And these two great persons of the nation whose birth anniversary we are observing today. Gandhi is the father of the nation, as you all know. And Gandhi Jayanti is also observed as the International Day of Non-Violence. And it is Mahatma Gandhi who was leading the freedom movement in the country against the British regime. We had lost our independence. The country was in British bondage. And the freedom fight went on, and when Mahatma Gandhi came to the picture, the entire scenario was changed. And it's something surprising for the people of the entire world that freedom fights are fought with powerful weapons. But the weapons which used by Mahatma Gandhi is the truth and non-violence, special non-violence. And Mahatma Gandhi has proved that this is the most powerful weapon of the world to fight for freedom of the people. And ultimately he was successful. And that is why that day is being observed by the entire world. And today, whenever there is any fight for freedom in any country, they remember Mahatma Gandhi and the freedom struggle which continued for years together. On the call of Mahatma Gandhi, lakhs of people come to the street with the slogan, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Bande Mataram. From Himalaya to Kanyakumari, it is resounded. And the freedom fighters did not care for the British lathi and bullet. Dandi Bars, you remember everything. And especially the Quit India movement, which was started on 9th August 1942. But the warning given to the Britishers by Mahatma Gandhi. He asked the Britishers to quit India. But some people ridiculed. That's a big power of the world. He was asked by Mahatma Gandhi to quit India. But they did not know the confidence inside Mahatma Gandhi. Lakhs of people come forward, asked Britishers to quit India. And ultimately, British had to quit. Lakhs of people were thrown behind the prison bar. But they did not care. That was the last warning of Mahatma Gandhi. And still then it was peaceful. Still then it was non-violent. And we got freedom under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. And to what to speak of his contribution, lot of contribution, which perhaps no leader in the entire world has to the nation or to the world. And is our great Mahatma, and we are observing his birth anniversary today. And he has a lot of reforms which he has taken for the development of the country, for the poor and downtrodden people, for Harijans and people who are neglected in every sphere of life. And if we can do something for them, fight for the right, then observance of the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, we can give him the proper respect. We are also observing the birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri has also a great contribution to the freedom movement. But it is very significant when he became the Prime Minister. There was Pakistan war. And Pakistan war, the then President of Pakistan, Ayub Khan, Army General, he said that after 7 days, people will find that I am smoking cigar in my evening walk at Delhi. Shastriji replied, this small man with this dhoti and shirt will have the morning walk at Islamabad. That was also happened. He gave the call, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. The Jawans were asked to fight for the nation, for the victory of the nation. The country is in war. Let us keep our independence and teach them a lesson. He asked the farmers, don't leave an inch of land. Food is necessary. We are in war. And actually that has happened, and the agriculture is all over the country. They started their work. Not an inch of land was left. And Indian Army, they opened 6 sectors, including Sialkot sectors, entered into Pakistan. Pakistan was going to fall. It is unfortunate that at that time Rus intervened. Rus then was a great friend of India. And there was ceasefire. Our army were already inside Pakistan by entering into through 6 sectors. And as you know what has happened and how the war is ended, and the great general had been taught a lesson. And he is Lal Bahadur Shastri. He is a man of steel. People say that the administration which has been given by Lal Bahadur Shastri, it has excelled the administration given by Jawaharlal Nehru in 18 years. And this is in 18 months, the achievement of Shastriji was greater. He is that great man, a small man is the greatest man. And it is a good fortune that we are observing the anniversary of these 2 great ones, father of the nation, and the strong man, the strong Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, who was also fighting for the rights of the people, rights of the common man, rights of the downtrodden people. And with this, we pray our tributes to these great persons.
director and 5,000 students were attended, sir. Because the Pinakini one home is there, sir. Gandhi's ashram is